Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
What's going on, people? Thought I'd cover Travis Hines. I haven't covered him for a long time since he was driving down the road and all the crap in the back of his van went flying everywhere. That was pretty funny. Anyway, he's still up to his old shenanigans, running around getting arrested and trespassed everywhere he goes. Let's check out this newest video we just uploaded.
Alright, I think I'm going to ask Judge Jones on February 9th to discipline John Bishop, the security bailiff in the courtroom, for giving me a hard time about using my tablet. It was really annoying. It was really disruptive. He was being more disruptive in that courtroom, disciplining me twice about using my tablet quietly. He was disrupting the courtroom more, giving me a hard time than I was using my tablet.
Yes, Travis, I'm sure the judge is going to discipline the court bailiff who has to keep order in the court because you wanted to play with your little machinery anyway.
And I look to my left, I see a lawyer using their typing happily away on their laptop. I look straight ahead and I see other lawyers using their laptops, typing away. Why don't you talk to them? All right, what makes the lawyer so special? It was very disruptive because those last few moments before I go before the court, I need to refresh get my head in order in the proper way for presenting myself before the court. And here I'm getting in a fight with a stupid security guard over using my tablet.
Sorry, genius, but bailiffs are not security officers. They're officers of the court.
And disrupting my defense. That is a due process violation right there. I don't know how else. I can't see how you could ignore that and not call it a due process violation. Telling me I can't use my tablet in the courtroom, I can't access my notes. You got to put signs up in the front of the courthouse then with all these extra rules that you add verbally while in the courtroom. This is ridiculous.
Well, since there's no video, I'm going to guess that he tried to video the court proceedings, and it was against the law to record in that courtroom. That's what I'm thinking happened here. That's what he's complaining about.
And I'm going to bring this before Judge Jones because it really angers me, because I did miss saying a couple of things because I couldn't refresh myself. I just had to sit with my tablet off so I wouldn't get disciplined a third time by John Bishop. I had my writing notes and then my tablet notes. I had a lot more on my tablets, and I was and it was like this. I was just looking at it like this. I wasn't like trying to point it at the court like I was recording anything. Camera's right here. I was just trying to take care of my business. It was convenient because John Bishop was standing like 10 feet away, so it was easy for him to walk over to me and give me a hard time about it twice while he was escorting the inmates. Easy for him to pick on me about that. And that's the trouble with this McCracken Sheriff Department, from the sheriff down to these bailiffs. They're just getting it wrong in every way. The sheriff's getting it wrong with how names are like a personal information and not a public information thing.
When every single person you meet every single day, every day of your life is wrong, then maybe you're the one that's wrong. You ever think of that, Travis? That ever cross your mind?
You're overruled. The cops that arrested me, clearly they're not following what the
courts are establishing as the proper procedure and ways of treating people on private property and private parking lots. And then now the bailiff, who's clearly demonstrated an ignorance towards my ability to defend myself by referring to my notes on my tablet. I tried to explain it to him, but the judge was talking at the time. It's not like I was just going to start arguing with the bailiff in the court. I just had to sit there and be quiet and let the bailiff get his way.
My question would be, why didn't you bring it up with the judge when you had your chance to speak? Apparently you didn't. You just let it slide until you get out to your car and get all butthurt about it so you could make a video. I think that's the only reason you're butthurt. You just want to make a video. You need something to bitch about again.
Sure, yeah, he can apologize afterward, because I ran into this bailiff afterward. I got him on audio, which I hope to share. I'm having difficulty getting into any libraries because of Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King closed down Saturdays and Mondays in Mississippi. And I know he closes libraries down in California too. But not all of them. I believe I did get into one in California on his day. Not all of them close, but I'm guessing all of Mississippi libraries close.
So you have a problem with libraries and national holidays too. Is that right, Travis? Is that another problem you have? This world is just not made for you, I guess. I don't know what's going on with you, buddy.
I'm pretty sure of it. And they close on Saturday too, which was a surprise. I drove 100 miles to go to the library on Saturday, and they're closed for Martin Luther King Day. And then I expect them to be closed on Sunday. That's pretty regular. But this situation with this going above and beyond oppression, the oppressionary rules. I mean, it's going into oppression. It's going beyond fairness. It's really something. And it continues to happen all over because there's too many complacent people out there. I'm talking to you.
You talking to me? You talking to me?
Are you talking to me? What did I do? I'm just watching your video. Making a video about you. What did I do? I'm not oppressing you. I'm making you famous. Well, that's all I got, folks. I'm still trying to take it easy, making shorter videos. Yeah, it's a pretty good one, about 8 minutes long, I guess, 7 or 8 minutes long. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Just keeping up with Travis, see what he's up to lately. I think NCR did a video on him the other day. He had to go to court. He got arrested for not identifying, parked on a private parking lot. So, yeah. Anyway, hope y'all have a great day. Love y'all. Bye.